All right, this is a practice video for the second page of the Vivaldi Concerto in A minor, third movement. Metronome's at 62. We're going to go really slow. And I'm starting in measure 75. I'm going to do each measure half speed. So, it's like even quarter speed, super slow. And then I'm going to go half speed and build it up. And you'll see how I'm building up each measure, okay? So starting in measure 75, half speed, 1, 2, middle of the bow, tiny. And I'm gonna overlap by one note, so I'll always land on the downbeat and start on the downbeat. Okay, let's do just the down bow and the slur. Ready, go. Downbeat in the slur plus 2 more notes, so 5 notes. Ooh, I did 6. Let's do the whole measure, 75, and... Ooh, and I crescendoed too soon. So this time I'm gonna do 76, half speed, up bow, third tape. That's when we're crescendo. All right, starting measure 75, first note and slur. Here we go. And a little more. And a little more. All right, back to 75, keeping it nice and quiet. Here we go. Now here's 77. Here we half speed. All right, here we go. Down bow and slur. And a little more. And a little more. Ooh, I need to do a fourth finger, low fourth finger for my C sharp. Here we go. So we've got this, it's pattern 5 actually right here. Okay, squishy, squishy together. All right, I'm going back to 75, 3 measures. Here we go. All right, 78, half speed. Sorry, it's G natural. Oh, and it needs to start up bow. Okay, scratch that, 78. Up bow, third tape, here we go, half speed. All right, and that's when we crescendo. All right, here we go, first note and slur, up bow, third tape, 78. There it is. Ready, again. Ready, a little more. Ready, whole measure up. Okay, back to 75. Ready, here we go. Shh. So beautiful. All right, here we go. 79. Ready, forte, piano. Shift. All right, here we go. Ready, a little bit. Ready, a little more. Let's go back to 75 and we'll really focus on the dynamics. We've got an accent and then we go back down to the lower string. We want to get quiet again. So here we go. Ready, 75, start, loud, then drop right away. Not there. Here. Cool. All right, here we go. Oh, we had one more measure. Let's do it again. Ready, here we go, 75. Here. Here. Shift. Okay, and now we're coming into another accent. 78, 79, 80. Here we go, starting in third position, and then we stay in third position. Ready, here we go, F sharp. Harmonic. C natural, there it is. Okay, and we should have crescendoed. We'll do it here. First, just a little bit. Ready, here we go. A little bit more. A little bit more. Oh, I questioned my sharp or not. Okay, here we go. Let's crescendo this time. Ready, same thing, go. Okay, there we go. Going back to 75. Ready, first position, start, loud, then drop, piano. Okay, pretty good. I keep missing that fourth finger, the fourth finger on the C sharp in measure 77. I keep missing that. That's tricky. All right, moving on to measure 81. Here we go. C natural, and then we're going to shift down, and we use our third finger on the F sharp. That's another weird one. Ready? Here we go. Now. Yeah, right? Here we go at speed. Ready? Just a little bit. That should be F sharp with the third finger. I'll do that one more time because that's a tricky spot. I would isolate this. Do this 10 times perfectly. See, I was too high. Nice loud first note, then piano. Ready, here we middle, go. Ah. There it is. Okay, a little more. Ready, here it is. That wasn't good. Let me do it again. Ready, here we go. That was it. Okay, ready? The whole measure. All right, back to the beginning. Good luck, 75. Here we piano. Oh, we start loud, actually. Ready, big note, go. Weird measure, but that was actually right. Okay, good luck. We're gonna add one more measure. Here's 82. Ready, half speed goes. All right, ready, just a little bit. C natural, F sharp, weird. The whole measure. And then we have B natural, so that's an interesting measure. Let's try just 81 and 82. That's a weird spot for me personally. So high C. 1, 2, here we go. Ready now. Ready again. There we go, almost. One of my C's was a little bit sharp. All right, back to 75. Ready, here we go. Got it. All right, it's getting there. If I was actually practicing this to perform it, there's a couple places I keep making mistakes. 77, I would stop and isolate that one for me because of the fourth finger. I would also stop and isolate 81. I think I already said that. Let's try 83. Here we go. 1, 2, B natural. Here we go. Easy measure. But look out. Sneaky. We go back to our F natural. Here we go. Ready? I'm just going to do this whole measure. Ready? Here we go. All right, next measure starting on the G. We shift into second position, so look out for that. Ready? Here we go. I'm just going to do that whole measure too. Ready? Here we go. Ooh, I shifted too high. Ready? Here we go. I would also isolate that shift, repeat that 10 times because second position isn't as common. So, all right, back to 75. Here we go. We did those 2 scale measures. So we're going all the way to the forte on the C there. Here we go. 1, 2, 75. Start loud, then drop. Crescendo. And there I'm using probably more bow, okay? As I crescendo through separated notes. Here we go, 85. Here it is now. These ones are so easy, I think, because they're arpeggios, so. No, there's some interesting shifts. I'll do it slowly. Here we go, half speed. 85. Shift. That should be fourth. Ready a little bit. Find that note with your fourth finger. That's usually third finger, but we're in second position. So here we go. Ready, C. Ready, a little more. Here we go. Ready, 6 notes. Sorry. Ready, 6 notes. Shift. Whole measure. Ready. Here we go. My tendency is for that G with my first finger to be sharp, so just look out for that G. You'll probably actually be fine because you're shifting, you have that scale to get into second position in tune. All right, so going back to 75, here we go. 1 and 2, and here we go. Good luck. right. 85 has a shift as well. Here we slowly. Second. Whole measure. Here we go. Just some G arpeggio, right? Here we go. 75. Ready, go. All right, here we go. 87, half speed. Whole measure, third position. Here we go. Sorry, second position. Ready? Here we go. Da, 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 da. That actually is the real tempo. We're still going half speed. The slow speed is actually quarter speed. This is half speed. Da, da, eighth note, eighth note. Ready again. Just for reference, the actual tempo would be 4 notes per beat, I think, right? Yeah, it would, okay. Yeah, LOL. So, eventually you can speed it up. For now, let's go back to 75. Keep it at half speed. Ready? Here we go now. Keep it small. A little bigger. Small. Small, but a little more. Small. A little more? Sorry. Here, more. Less. More. More. Here. Okay, moving on. 88. Third position, second finger's on G. Shift. Yeah, that was right. Okay, here we go. I think we can do 2 notes. 4 notes at a time. Now 8 notes. Ready, go. A little out of tune. Let me do it again. Ready, here we go. Now second. First. And those notes are in the same place, so it's just 3 and 2, like that. Okay? Here we go, 75. Ready, steady, here we go. Ooh, just kidding. No shift there, what? Ready, here we go. Less. More. Less. So pretty. Okay, we're almost there. 2 more measures. All right, here is measure 89. Ready, steady, quarter speed. Here we go. Oh, sorry. So we do go back to the B there. All right, here we go. 4 notes at a time. Ready, go. 8 notes. Here we go. Ooh, really interesting. Oh, that's so cool. So they have tenutos on the 4 notes in the middle. Those are fun. And I noticed they do that in 80. I just noticed they do that in 87 as well. So bring, oh, they do that in 85 as well. So bring out those notes. I'll try to do that next time around. All right, here we go. Let's do that 89 one more time. Try to bring out the tenutos. They get a little more accent than the other one. Of course, the first one's bitey, and then it's like, ooh, what? So the last 3 are a little like less important. All right, here we go. Back to 75. Ready, here we go. Oh, I went too far. And I played a wrong note. Okay, cool. That's really beautiful. I never realized it before. So I would recommend actually singing that phrase a few times. Like if you look and measure in, we've kind of got like a 3-beat pickup. Da, 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 da. Okay, so essentially if you think about landing on each beat, da 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 da. The first beat is still stronger than the second beat, but the notes on the beat are more interesting. Okay, so we have this almost like little 3-beat pickup leading into each beat every time. So that's why I keep stopping on the downbeat, because you really need that note. That's the end of the phrase. Okay, it's offset by 1 note. The phrases are. Okay. Last one, measure 90. Oh, you do shift right there. Onto the D string. Okay. Half or quarter speed. Here we go, 90 slow. Shift. And now we're in C major. All right, let's try it. Ready? 90. Here we go. Oh, sorry. 4 notes. Fast. Da, da. Here we go. 8 notes. Here we go. Nope. Ready? Here we go. Shift on D. Here. So that's an interesting shift. It's D, B. Interesting. Okay, here's 90. Ready, here we go. Now. All right, here we go. Best of luck. Here's the whole excerpt, 75 to the downbeat of 91. Ready, here we go. Now. Okay, I'm going to do that one more time because that wasn't the best. But before I do, one idea about the fingering as I played it through, personally, in these two spots where we used like the wrong finger on a note, you know what I mean? I'll be more clear. Let me pause the metronome. So there's two measures where we play the wrong finger on a note, which is 77. We play the fourth finger on C sharp. Usually that would be third finger. And then in measure 81, we play the third finger on F sharp, and usually that would be second finger. And you can see why, because of the second beat, we need the other finger for the other note on another string. So what I liked though is putting down the right finger the first time through, and then when you come back to it, use it. Personally, that was easier for me to get in tune. So instinctually, I'll tell you what I changed. And of course, I want you to try both ways and then make your own choice. So measure 77, the third note is a C sharp. I use my third finger on that the first time. And then the next C sharp in the second beat, I use my fourth finger on that one. Okay, so the fingering for measure 77 would be 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3. Okay. Now, I would also do the same idea in measure 81. Personally, that's easier for me to get in tune. And then I don't, I'm going to have to pick it up, then you have to pick up your finger and move it. But for me, that was more reliable. So when you go that fast, though, maybe it's good to already have that down. I bet it is. Because you'll just like set the chord shape and then it's ready. Okay, so I changed my mind. Go with what's on there because I realized it's going to go so fast. You're going to need to have that finger already there, and you'll basically just set a shape and doodle across it and then move on to the next shape. So anyways, ignore me. I'm going to try to do what's on the page one last time with the same speed metronome. Again, we're going half speed right now, which is totally okay to start with. Okay, looks like this video is going to be half an hour, but that's all right. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Ooh. Starting tune. Keep it small. Ready, here we go now. Third. Yeah, that's what needs to happen. Okay, I'm going to have to stop there because my hand says that's the end of my Vivaldi practice for today. So please let me know if you have any more questions. I can keep making these for you. It would be awesome if you just let me know, hey, I've exhausted this one, I'm ready for something new. So just let me know. You can send me an email and I will be checking that. So thank you for being a great student. I'll talk to you soon.